Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys of all ages and places. Welcome to Jebb Adams' channel. What we're looking at is the underside of the Singer 201K Kendra. And this, what we see here, where I'm pointing to that little point there, I believe that is the hook shaft right there. And the thing that I notice about this is there isn't any flat area on this gear or hook shaft like there is on the 400 and 500 series steel gears. So what I want to do is I want to mesh the gears, because these gears, a little bit of dirt there. Boy, you know what, that's actually probably paper towel. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. No, seriously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mesh these gears. And there's a screw here, and there's a screw here. This is the hook driving shaft, or the hook driving rod. I'm never going to undo or unmesh these gears on my own. I think I'd get somebody with a lot of experience. These gears should, they're easy to clean in situ, in place right there. They're very open. But so I just wanted to point that out. And then back here again, I've got some nail polish. This is a trick I learned from Andy Tube, and I'm sure most of you are subscribed to Andy Tube or have heard of him or seen him, but he's very good. So I don't know if I'm going to be, might have to take the glove off to get the lid off the nail polish. And okay, there, I got it. And for anybody who's interested, it's number 522, and it is made by nail lacquer Rubis Folies. Rubis Folies. So I don't know who it's made by. It's really small print. And anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the nail polish, and I'm going to put a red line right there. Right there. I'm going to go right under that screw. So this one will have red on it, this one will have red on it, and this one will have red on it. But my main impetus is going to be on that one and this one. And the other indicator is that these two set screws, they line up. So, but these gears are meshed at the factory and they're run in. These things are run for I don't know how long, but it's a lot. And I've never heard ones that have been mismatched or mismeshed, but apparently they run rough and it's noticeable. So I don't know what that means really, but I understand. Well, I do, but not to the degree. So I'm going to very carefully. Said I was going to get that one and that one. And now I just want to turn it. And then I want to get it a little closer if I can without blurring. And then I'm going to bring this light down a little more. And all my lights are like, like Salvation Army thrift store stuff. I did all this on a shoestring, I'm not high class or fancy here. It's like from the ground up, But anyway, what a pretty color. So that's done now down here. What I want to do is, from here on in, I want to go back up top. There. But anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I will continue with this, and we've got other machines here that stuff is going to start happening showing up some stuff on them too. Thanks for stopping by. Have fun, stay safe. Ciao, amigos.